lot of love. Life will be very beautiful if we become givers of love. Yes, today's guest is super special. Who's the giver of love? Who's given love to NGOs? Who's given love to corporate houses? Over 156 clients in India and abroad, traveled to over 25 countries, written over 4 books, and he calls himself a child of God on a noble mission when he makes others smile and makes life a rewarding experience for someone. If his words and ideas can touch, he feels very fortunate. Let's talk to him. Welcome, 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 Jaswin Singh, sir. And you keep making others win. I love your name. I love your pagdi, the color. Very good. Thank you.
Yes. So you have, it comes out, whatever is inside comes out. If you see bland colors, that person is still looking for color in his life.
It's your love.
So colors are always an expression of who you are.
Yes.
So yes.
So I'm the blue boy of Vrindavan. Great.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
you are a fantastic piece of God, Sunny. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Now you have to tell us, what is the secret of your success?
The secret of my success is being useful. If someone asks me what is the definition of success, my definition of success is when you know you have given to the world more than taken from it, you are successful. So if you can make this your intention, sorry?
Giving is success. Yes. Being useful is success.
Yes. If you observe the whole universe is giving, dear friends. The sun is giving, the moon is giving, the stars are giving, the air is giving, the water is giving, the plants are giving, the vegetables are giving, but only man is taking. So only one person is unhappy in this world, and that is humans. Because humans have, shifted the whole intention of the universe. The whole universe is in the giving mode of life. We are all becoming in the taking mode of life. Therefore, we are unhappy because we are breaking the laws of the universe.
Yes, amazing. I just love this. You made it so easy and simple. You want to be happy, be a giver. You want to be happy, be useful on the planet. So nice. So,
see, happiness comes from the word hap, which literally means whatever happens. So happiness is the ability to be with whatever is happening in the moment. And therefore, if you can be, consciously aware of the gift of this breath that is being given to you in this moment, you will automatically feel the present. इसलिए इसको present moment बोलते हैं. It's a तोहफा है आपके लिए.
Yes.
So therefore, automatically the gratitude mode will move you into a giving mode. You are so thankful for getting this breath without doing anything.
Yes. So what do you do every morning when you get up?
I just get up and go straight to the mirror and say, "Zindagi aa raha hu main. Aaj main itna pyar bhar dunga. You will be happy you gave birth to me."
Yes. I just love this.
Can you think I can have a bad day after that?
No, never. And you're so full of positive energy. And you're saying, yes, oh Lord, you'll be proud. Universe, you'll be proud. I'm coming to spread love and happiness, that you will be proud of me, that you gave me a day, you gave me a chance. So beautiful. Please tell us about your books, the titles, the message in the books.
So a lot of people, when I was doing counseling, how I started doing counseling. I was able to get a person out of suicidal mode in the year 1998. So he flew to me and said कि जस्सी भैया सारे फेल हो गए थे, चाचा मामा भांजा ताया सब फेल हो गए थे, psychiatrists फेल हो गए थे, but जिस तरह से आपने किया है, so there will be hundreds of people like me who would be requiring this kind of motivation. So he told me, don't take this lightly, and I didn't take it lightly, and I started an Institute of Happiness in the year 2000. And a lot of people told me, जस्सी भैया जब आपको मिलता है तो बड़ा दम आता है, जैसे ही आप चले जाते हैं हम फिर ठूस हो जाते हैं. So how about writing something? So we started writing a postal course, monthly course of a booklet, 8 pages का एक booklet आता था, which was titled Be Happy, and we used to touch one emotion every month. like anger or jealousy or fear or hate, one emotion, and we wrote for 60 months. हमारा 5 साल का ये course था. It was such a success. It was going to 19 countries and 92 cities of India. Then people told us, जैसे ये booklet खो जाता है, तो आप इसको book form में निकालिए. So we took out 5 books of happiness. If you want to have a look at the books, there are happiness series. It started with happiness gain and retain, then happiness always and in always, happiness here and everywhere, happiness now and forever, happiness beyond measure. So these are 5 books. They are available on Amazon. If you write Jaswin Singh, you will see all the 5 books. So this is the way we were able to reach out to the people whom we couldn't directly connect with.
Yes. So you are one of the world greatest happiness leaders, top 50 leaders. So how did you get that title? I know you are happy without the title also, but how did you get that title?
So out of the blues, in 2019 November, I got a call from World HRD Congress, and they said, "Ki sir, आपका नाम मुझे 4-5 जगह से nominate हुआ है." So we are this time the title for the entire conference is Happiness at Work. So a lot of people have given your name as a suggestion. So out of the 100, they were doing a survey in 133 countries on the happiest people or the people who are doing work to spread happiness at workplace. So I was nominated. Once they talked to me, they liked the way I talk, and they also gave me a slot during the conference. Ki sir, aap unko bhi address bhi kariye. So I addressed the entire conference for half an hour on how to be happy at any work you do. So that's how I got the title. I have no clue. I have no clue who recommended me. I have no clue about that. मेरा एक मानना है कि अगर आप शहद बांटते जाओ, अगर आपके अंदर शहद होगा ना, मधुमक्खी अपने आप आपके पास आएगी.
Yes.
So we don't need to try to get attention. We are not here to prove our greatness, dear friends. God never makes non-great. हर एक पत्ता भी वो great बनाता है. तो हाँ, we are not here to prove our greatness. We are here to use our greatness. जिस दिन आदमी ये बात समझ जाएगा कि मैं दुनिया में लेने नहीं देने आया हूँ, his whole life will change because he will join the whole universe in giving. As I said, the sun gives, the moon gives, the star gives, the air gives, you know. So once you join them, the whole universe becomes a part of you. You get conscious that you are a part of the whole universe, and then you never feel alone. You never feel separation, and the fears disappear from your life, and you become one. तो वो कहते हैं मुझे दुश्मन क्या मारेगा, मेरा दोस्त है ऊपर वाला.
Yes. Please tell us more about your connection with the Lord, ऊपर वाला, अंदर वाला.
Yeah, so I used to always feel, initially I was very afraid man when I was in college and all, like everybody else. I used 13 years of, now 13 years, I was a very shy person, and 13 years of my life I tried to prove. And that's the reason I actually took up this mission of spreading, because a person who can do, I have taken a 180-degree turn. I'm a Doon School alumni, and in Doon School it was compulsory to give your, your debating. तो मैं स्टेज पे जाने से मेरी हवा ऐसे निकल जाती थी, मैंने कहा मर गए, स्टेज पे जाना है. It was that bad, and now I have actually addressed 12,000 people at a shot. So it's, I think over the years, as you get more conscious that life won't just create you to destroy you. कोई भी पेरेंट को आप जानते हो जिसने इस नियत से बच्चा पैदा किया कि एक बच्चा पैदा करूंगा, उसकी बैंड बजाऊंगा, तो जब एक ऑर्डिनरी इंसान ऐसा नहीं सोच सकता, सृष्टि आपको क्यों पैदा करेगी आपकी बैंड बजाने के लिए. So somewhere we are mistaken. Life, we are a part of life. अगर हम कहते हैं भगवान सब जगह है, सब जगह में हम भी तो आए, तो हम भी भगवान. इसलिए कबीर ने कहा है कि मुको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, ना मैं देवल, ना मैं मस्जिद, ना काबे कैलाश में. So the moment your divinity, once you realize you are divine yourself, भगवान की पूजा नहीं करनी है, भगवान का एक हिस्सा बनके अपने एक्शंस को प्रार्थना बनाना है.
Yes.
कि people feel कि यार, yes, God, life is good. People feel that life is worth living. People feel कि I am God. I am not the God, I am a God.
Yes. So you do a lot of charity also. So please tell us more about that.
I don't do the universe. I'll never say I do. The universe does it through me. मैं तो सिर्फ एक पाइप हूँ. अगर पाइप बोले कि मैं ही पानी दे रही हूँ, वो पाइप की मूर्खता है.
Yes. Your favorite movie, sir?
Very favorite movie is An Officer and a Gentleman. It showed both the things of how working power and the emotion power. So English में ये है, and Hindi में of course always की तरह शोले है, because शोले was one movie which showed every single emotion. नफरत दिखाई गई, प्यार दिखाया गया, दोस्ती दिखाई गई, दुश्मनी दिखाई गई, and so these are multi-dimensional. So शोले you will see this simmer at a different pace, each and every cold piece. Probably that was the meaning I took out. I'm actually writing a book called Wisdom from Movies, so that my interpretations of the dialogues can come out.
Wow. I am also fascinated with these dialogues that, you know, success ke piche mat bhago, excellence ke piche bhago. And so many dialogues, so many songs have lessons, life lessons. So great.
Yes.
Which is your favorite dialogue, and what wisdom do you want to share with us?
See, my favorite dialogue is सोच गहरी हो जाए तो इरादे कमजोर हो जाते हैं. This is from खुदा गवाह, in which बादशाह खान अमिताभ बच्चन says this, कि सोच गहरी हो जाए तो इरादे कमजोर हो जाते हैं. हम लोग अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई जैसे अगर कोई आपके दरवाजे पे नॉक करता है, कोई भिखारी भीख मांगने के लिए, और आपको अरे यार पता नहीं ये तो इसको जरूरत भी है, ये हमको उल्लू बना रहा है, ये सोच आ गई आपके दरवाजे में. किसी को भी शौक नहीं है भीख मांगने का, तो उसको जितनी हेल्प कर सकते हो. अगर बच्चा आया तो बिस्किट पैकेट दो, मत दो पैसे, बिस्किट पैकेट्स रखो. मैं अपनी कार में बिस्किट के बॉक्स बहुत सारे रखता हूँ. कोई भी आता है उनको दे देता हूँ. अगर वो किसी कार्टेल का भी है, कोई उससे गलत काम भी करा रहा है, तो बिस्किट तो नहीं लेगा ना उससे. तो आपकी गिविंग आपकी, हम एनालिसिस पैरालिसिस में फंस जाते हैं कि अच्छा करने से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, मुझे क्या. आप इसलिए अच्छा नहीं कर रहे बिकॉज यू वांट टू गेट. आप इसलिए अच्छा कर रहे हो बिकॉज दैट इज द ओवरफ्लोइंग जॉय ऑफ गिविंग. यू फील सो ब्लेस्ड कि मुझे ये सांस तूने फ्री में दे दिया यार, मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया भगवान, और तू मुझे देता ही चला जा रहा है. Once you get into that mode of giving, you don't need anything in return. Most people are not giving because they are doing business कि मैं दूं तो मुझे वापस मिले. तो धंधे में कई बार नुकसान होता है, तो नहीं आया वापस तुम्हारा. Giving is giving. Giving is giving when you are enjoying it as much as the receiver.
Yes. So what are two secrets which can help us, you know, become givers and useful like you with this gratitude? What are the two secrets, two tips?
So first one, you yourself said कि जब आपको बहुत unhappy feel हो रहा है, सबसे पहले stop and find out what is the good, what is the gift that you have got. So many things you have got. अगर आपको घर मेरा painted नहीं है यार, मेरे को paint कराना है, and then you realize and you get upset about that. Instead of that, you say कि घर तो है. Start from there. And once you say घर तो है, then you say कि okay, इसने मेरे को इतना आश्रय दिया है, मैं इसकी टेंशन क्यों ले रहा हूँ, मुझे भी तो इसको कुछ वापस देना चाहिए, मुझे भी इसका पेंट करना चाहिए. It will be a joy giving back to the four walls that have been giving me ashray for so many years. Now the intention has changed. It's no more a burden, it's a responsibility. It is no more a duty to paint the house, it's a responsibility to paint the house because it is been taking care of you. And once you change your duty to responsibility, giving automatically happens.
Amazing. So responsibility है हमारी कि हम मैं जिंदगी में आ रहा हूँ and you will be happy.
Yes.
And you will be happy that you gave me a
yes.
day. Yes.
So gratitude, that will convert you into a good human being naturally. हम लोग बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आपको करना है आप thankful mode में रहो, आप अच्छे इंसान बने ही रहोगे, आपसे गलत हो ही नहीं पाएगा.
Yes. One last mantra, sir.
So one last mantra is my three-letter word, which I always say, three-word statement: live to give. करके देखिए एक महीना, आप हैरान हो जाओगे कि अभी तक मैं ये क्या कर रहा था. उसमें उतना मजा ही नहीं है जो प्यार का मतलब है ना. Then you will start living from your heart, and then you will understand this song कि दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है. आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें.
I am so thankful to you, sir. You are an ocean of wisdom, and I sincerely wish you keep showering blessings on millions and millions and millions of people, young and old, not so old like me, and and we keep laughing together and we keep making these episodes. And I want everyone to follow your channel on YouTube, read your books, and just be in touch with you and your great values. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Sunny, for being a blessing for the universe. You are a wonderful, wonderful piece of God, and you are awakened to the fact that you are that. So keep spreading love. I love your basic two words that you always use: serve and smile. Love you. Take good care. And all of you, go and become bigger blessings for the world. Don't try to get blessings, become a blessing. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.